want to find out where the bone broth go? Right here is in the container. That's how I did it. Here you go. Yay! The bone broth coming from the pot. This is in our previous video. I show you how to make the base of the bone broth. Today, we're going to use this to make egg flour soup. Hi, now I'm going to demonstrate how to make this egg flour soup. So let's get started. Remember this one? I got that from my bone broth soup, so I have them in one of this jar. And you turn the water on, see all this like jello. So first thing I would do, I would chop the green onions. This is homegrown tomatoes, so you can see there's some impurity. And most of the time, I will remove the seeds from the tomatoes because they taste bitter. So I usually remove them. All right, now I'm gonna dice the tomato. This fantastic egg flour soup with tomato is my father's recipe, and let's take care of it. All right, turn the heat up. When you cook the bone broth, the jello, it tells you that you have the collagen in there. That will really helpful for our soft bones. All right, so now we will heat it up this green onions. So you can hear the sizzling sound from this onion. Now it's ready. We're going to put the tomatoes in there. Stir fried it. That's why the egg flour soup has such a wonderful taste. Once you see the juice comes out already, then now we are going to put my dad's favorite and my favorite soy sauce. Any soy sauce. Soy sauce is raw, they're fermented. So every time you use the soy sauce that you stir fry like this, it will be awesome because the taste will be so much better after they cooked with the heat. So now this is ready. You can see it's such a beautiful tomato paste with soy sauce. Now you put in this boiling water. Now you put in the eggs. Let it cook a little bit. Ooh, double the egg yolk. Now the soup is continue boiling, and we will drop this egg flour in the soup. There you go. Now you see, this is our fantastic egg flour soup. The egg will be right away eatable because the soup is really hot. Okay, now you can see it's amazing egg flour soup. I'm gonna taste it. Be careful for the bottom of the pot because when the egg comes into the pot, it will go all the way down. So now it's almost ready because they're coming up. And you stir 1 or 2 times. Make sure there's none of the eggs at the bottom of the pot so you don't burn it. Now, let me try it. Wonderful. Ooh, goes down to my tummy. It feels so good. Sheng, you want to try some? Now, before you take out, then you put some of this green onions, the fresh green onions on the top. Here you go. That is our egg drop soup. Excellent. Thank you.